Can you have a stroke from cracking your neck? There is an artery in your neck called the vertebral artery, and that can rupture if it's done incorrectly. So when you crack your neck, or if someone cracks your neck with your head extended, that could be dangerous because it puts a lot of pressure on that blood vessel that supplies your brain with nutrients and consciousness. So people have had what we call vertebral artery dissections from improperly cracking necks. So it's very important if somebody's adjusting your neck to go to a trained professional who can help.